ballad of a dead soldier. Cause it's the ballad of a dead soldier.
You recording?
I'm recording, yeah.
Alright. Fuck Burlington, and I'll tell you why. We're more than likely going to see you guys tomorrow, alright? Why the hell would we come down tonight and see you guys tomorrow in Toronto? Really doesn't make sense. Plus, Burlington sucks. Let's all agree on that.
Why does it suck?
See, why does it suck?
Yeah. Give me some reasons.
I could write a book. We're gonna spend $100 in Burlington. $100 just to go to Burlington.
Why are we spending $100? Break it down.
Break it down? Okay. Travel the cost there. Taxi cost. Cover charge. Parking charge. Drink charge. Taxi back. Travel back. All this money to get minor buzz at a club. At one club. We have no choice of where we go. We can just go to the one club and then that's it. Why would we do that to ourselves? In Toronto, it's like, this place is suck, let's move on. And then that's it, alright? But if we go to Zoo Bar, we are stuck. We are stuck like being stuck in mud, okay? Can't move, can't go anywhere. Alright? We are not going to Burlington. Now, if I wanted to spend $100 tonight, I'd go to a strip club, okay? But it wouldn't be a strip club in Burlington. We're in Toronto. We're in the heart of fucking Canada. One of the several hearts, okay? It goes...
Vancouver.
Vancouver, Toronto, Ottawa, Montreal, and then everywhere else is like last place. It's like, what if we told you guys like, oh hey, let's go to Barrie. You know what? Barrie's the same distance from Toronto that the Burlington is. May as well go to Barrie. Would you want to go to Barrie? I didn't think so. And that's why we're staying in Toronto tonight.
Ballad of a dead soldier.